What typically blocks men from making great decisions, and what does a better decision-making process look like?
Overthinking is the answer to the first question. What typically blocks men from making decisions is paralysis by analysis, or getting stuck in their head, or again, this phrase, figure it out. I just need to figure out, I'm going to figure it out. It rarely goes anywhere, and it rarely goes well. And I would say this in the business context too. I mean, obviously there's, great value in analysis and all of that, and so many things need that. But the question I would ask is, when a decision is necessary, the one making the decision, the decider, in a sense, my question to them is sort of, where is this decision coming from, and where should this decision be made from? And so what I mean by that is, we have a tendency to think that our intelligence is all up here in just the rational portion of our head, which is just flatly wrong. And neuroscience and neurobiology has showed this very, very clearly. Our intelligence is a full creature event, right? And so having access to our intuition and our gut and our senses and our ability to be aware of other things and other people and all of these things, and I may do this more. I don't often specifically speak about intuition, but what I mean, if I were to define that right now, is just a trust of sense or intelligence that is different in quality or tone than, and I'm pointing here as I'm talking, like up here, head decision, as opposed to this more deeper guttural sense of knowing, right? And there's far more shades of this. It's not so black and white in a sense, but I have found that one of the things that seems to hamper good decision making is speed to action or speed to decision, right? Some decisions should take a long time to decipher, right? But this might just be my personal preference, but my sense is like there's a whole lot of, I would say, actual suffering and not just discomfort that comes from not just trusting oneself, not having the confidence